So putat ad vehicule this sound to make a volume from the gun, motors and other stuff low, because if our players have a high volume in the map, we will hear much sound, and this is lower for other players. So the example character have here on the replay, for example, when shoot, have this volume. If I put on maximum, when shoot with replay is like it is, how do I say, it is here. But if I put volume here on the replay, is like it is here, the other player, and it sounds low, and this is that good. And the vehicle, I want to see the same. I put myself this, but I don't know if it's working. So the volume will be like this for engine, for shooting, but to know other players, like this. On the player prefab is 3D character, and this is disabled when you play, you know. But other player will be disabled this and enable this, and this sound is like this. Okay, I hope you understand me this sound.